Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to do a short video on how to buy eyeglasses on the internet. I don't know how many of you folks wear glasses, but I do, and they're super expensive if you try to go buy them locally, at least $120 a pair. There are several websites you can go to though, that will cut down on the amount of money that you will spend on a pair of glasses. Whether you have a single vision glasses needs, sunglasses needs, or some sort of bifocal or progressive lens situation that you're trying to purchase, you will save money going online. You just have to do some simple preparation first. Now, where I usually go is $39 glasses.com. This is one of their competitors, Goggles for You. This is another one of their competitors. I'm sorry, this is another one of their competitors, Warby Parker. And but I usually go with $39 glasses.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to search for a frame that you like, and typically I have gone with the college frame, so I can just go and search that. And this is what I typically go with because they're kind of like Ray-Ban's Wayfarer sunglasses frames. And what I do with these is then I select the lens type, and they'll give you a few options there. Normally I go with single vision lenses, and then I, as you can see right here where it says, bifocals are an extra 80 bucks. And then right here, it looks like these weird kind of uh, notations. And what these are, this is what your eye prescription looks like. And so what you're going to want to do before you buy your glasses is you're going to want to go to the eye doctor. And you're going to want to go to an eye doctor that is cool with, after the exam, giving you your prescription. And not just your prescription, you're going to need something called pupillary distance. This is the distance that your pupils are from the middle of your head, I believe. And so what you're going to do is, if you want single vision frames, you need this OD. Now they'll give you this these four values plus your pupillary distance, and you'll be able to get single vision lenses. If you want bifocals or progressive lenses, you're going to need to get this second set of values, and then they should be able to give you all of those, whatever you would need in order for you to get your prescription. So then you would name your prescription something, and then you would choose your prescription values. Basically, the optometrist will give you these, and then you just copy them from whatever sheet of paper they gave you into that. And then after that, let's see here. Let's just choose some random values. And then you would click continue. And then after that, it asks you, do you want clear lenses or sunglass lenses or transition lenses? And the transition lenses are going to be a little more expensive, but usually when I get glasses, I get one of each. I get a sunglass lens and a clear lens. If you want a clear lens, they give you these options, and there are, a bunch of them, and they can raise the price significantly, especially the Seiko super thin RX lenses with premium anti-glare coating. But and the new polarized light and thin sun lenses, stuff like that. But you choose which ones you want, and they tell you what all of these are. So if I click down here, more information, it gives me a good explainer on what this feature is, which helps me decide whether or not I want it. And if I want, yeah, so I usually choose both of those, and I pick whichever, attribute I want, and then I click on continue, and then they want to know if you want a coding option, and you can opt for that or not. And then after that, basically you check out, and usually takes about a week to 10 days in the mail, you get your glasses. And most of these companies have a 30-day money back, worry free guarantee. So, goggles for you is about the same thing. You just basically pick, men or women, you browse their selection of frames, and then after that, then you select your lenses. Warby Parker, similar deal. You browse the frame, and let's figure that. And then what they'll Warby Parker's a little bit different in that they let you try them at home, and then if you don't, I think they send you I think the deal is they send you 5 frames, and then you can try them on and ship back the ones you don't like or something like that. I've not tried Warby Parker, but they do have a good reputation, and they're probably pretty good pretty good glasses. But you can basically get doing this going online. You can save quite a bit. $40 versus $120 for single vision glasses is pretty great, and it turns eyeglasses from a luxury good into just another commodity. If you lose your glasses, it's not really the end of the world. Um, they're not $400, they're $40. So I would definitely, anybody who uses eyeglasses, I would definitely check out these companies because they can save you a ton of cash. I hope everybody liked this video, and if so, I hope you like it and share it. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and if anybody needs any computer help in the Memphis area, please feel free to call Dave Bensman at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, please stay safe.